In this section, I'm going to talk about NHS Transmissions. To access NHS permissions, just from the top, select Transmission. This first tab is Pending Forms. Pending Forms give you a list of all forms waiting to be sent to the NHS. If you wish to select a single dentist, you can choose them from the list. Once you're ready to send, you should push the Make File button and Send and Receive, and that will transmit all of these claims to the board. The GCF columns on the right hand side represent guaranteed, continuation and failed to return claims. Should you select a claim, you can remove it from the list, but bear in mind this will disappear entirely. The other option is Kickback. Kickback can be used to select an item from the list. You can put a reason for its rejection, and once you push OK, that will move to the Kickback folder where it can be addressed at a later date. Moving back to our pending forms, remember, Make File, Send and Receive. That's very, very important. We also have the outbox, which is basically an interim state, but more importantly, sent items will show you what you've sent at which time. This will show you the contents of the bundle files that you have sent to the board. Inbox files will give you all responses from the board, but more important is inbox forms. The inbox forms contains errors. So if you have a claim that the board has rejected, it will be listed here. Simply select the claim and it will give you a brief description of the error involved. Some errors will have exclamation marks. This means it's something that you need to address. That might be you have incorrect details within Systems for Dentists or within Compass itself. If you go to a patient, you can double click to enter that patient. Systems for Dentists will take you to the General tab on that treatment form, and from that General tab you can adjust any details you require, or you can move to the treatment form to add or remove items, and then once complete, simply retransmit. Now let's move along to Complete Not Sent. This gives a list of all NHS treatments open where everything has been marked as complete, but it has yet to be transmitted to the board. If we move along to Outstanding Claims, this will show you all open courses of NHS treatment where the patient doesn't have an appointment. These are colour-coded, with red closest to the cliff edge and orange approaching it rapidly. You can see the correspondence that has been sent to the patient on the right-hand side. Kickback I showed you earlier. This is the list of those claims that you wish to address before transmitting to the board. If we move back to the top, we also have the NHS activity reports. This report can be selected by contract or by performer and will give you various UDA charge information. Just scroll down to see the entire report. We also have additional reporting. If you were to go to the tooth and you went to reports, you would find that we have an NHS section, and that will contain lots of further reports which are dealt with elsewhere.